Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain you about microservices real-time example. Normally, this is a common interview question guys. You will get this question from interviewer when you mention Spring Boot or microservices in your resume. Okay, and the interviewer will ask you a question like, can you please explain a real-time microservices architecture example like that. Okay, in our daily life we are seeing many applications and we are using many applications which are using microservices architecture. Like I can say some example like Spotify, Netflix and many PayPal. These type of applications are using microservice architecture. But for simplifying purpose, I just want to explain you that microservice architecture and uses the microservice real-time example by taking ATM as then an example. Okay, let me explain you. Normally, let's assume there is some X bank. Okay, every bank there has their ATMs. Okay, the particular X bank ATM have a ATM application which is using a microservice architecture. Okay, let's assume like this. Let's assume every subject feature like withdraw cash and check your balance, registration to net banking. Let's assume like every feature is a Spring Boot application. It means every feature is a separate application. Okay, this change pin, registration to net banking, get fast cash, avail personal loan, these are separate Spring Boot application which are acting as separate microservice. Okay, let's assume these are built as separate Spring Boot applications, but they are working together by using the microservices architecture. You can simply say like these are independent microservices. Okay, now I will explain you what is the use of microservices architecture in real time. Okay, suppose let's assume this X bank application is using in their ATM application they are using some monolithic architecture for their application. Okay, suppose if they are using some monolithic architecture, if there is any bug fix or enhancement in any of these features like withdraw cash or check your balance, anything, they want to stop their entire application, then they want to deploy their bug fix or enhancement or anything. So what will be happening? There are many users going to the ATMs for withdrawing cash or checking balance. So there are many end users affecting, right? Because whole application will be down because of some enhancement or bug fix in one feature. But if it's come to microservice architecture, let's assume testing team found some bug fix like some bug in this get fast cash feature. Okay, and they have informed it to developers team, and let's assume they have fixed that bug and tested through every environment like dev QA and everything. Now they want to deploy it in prod. Okay, normally if it is a monolithic application, what will be happen? They want to shut down the entire application, then they want to perform that deployment. As we discussed, this is a microservice application. What will be happen? Only this fast cache microservice will be down. Other 5 features which are having separate, which are used as separate microservices applications, they will work fine. As these are the Spring Boot independent applications, we can simply stop one application which we want to deploy, and we can leave others as usual, means others will work fine. Now what will be done? Deployment team will just stop this application and they will redeploy the code regarding with a new bug fix like that. So what will be happening? It will cause less inconvenience to users. Every user who comes to ATM have their own requirement, right? Some people will come to check their balance. Some people will come to check withdraw their cash. Some people will come to change pin, but no one will come with all the 6 requirements, right? It means what will be happening when only one feature is down, all end users are not affected, only some users are affected, right? It means now get fast cache is down, other 5 are working fine, right? Up to some time when deployment is happening. Okay, let's assume this scenario. Then let's assume there are 6 customers or 6 users went to their ATMs, and everyone have their individual requirement like withdraw cash, check your balance, change pin like that. Out of 6 customers, only one customer have the requirement like getting the fast cash or using this get fast cash option. So what will be happening? Only one end user will be affected. The number of end users affected are very less. By this, the this ATM application performance will be improved compared to the monolithic application. It means what will be happening? The end users are affecting, but end users affected are very less. Okay, in this way you can convey this ATM example to interviewer. I think so you guys got it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe me to my channel.